Hello everyone, welcome back to this another tutorial. So today we will create for the manipulation is the accessing list items in Python programming language. So in this the lists are powerful and flexible data structure in Python and allow us to restore and manipulate collections of items in this item. Okay. So now just today is focus on the existing individual elements within a list. So now let's get started. So here, first of all, declared here in the some list item in the access. So first of all, here I'm just typing this the foods. Okay, so is equal, and now here I'm creating the square braces, and in this inside, first of all, I'm declared the fruits names. The first name is apple. And secondly, now I'm creating another fruits is the banana. Okay, so now it's perfectly created in the banana and also create here in this the orange. Is the orange. Then the fruit's name is grapes. The grapes, and also here create the another fruit's name is in this the name is watermelon. Okay. So now it's perfect. The perfectly creating this the list item with access, and now I'm create existing individual item by index. So first time type here in this the first fruit. Okay, first underscore first is equal to called for in the fruits variable, and in this inside I'm create for the 0 index. Okay, so next here I creating this the fourth fruits. Okay, in the fourth underscore first is equal to, so now here I'm just again called in this the fruits. Okay, so now here I'm create the index. Okay, so now here I'm declared in this the tree. So now it's perfect. So now I'm just going for the next two step, and here I'm create for the displaying the excess items. So first of all, I'm just type here in this the print, and in this inside I'm creating this the first fruits. Okay, and secondly here I'm creating this the another print function, and in this inside I'm declare for in this the fourth. Okay, so fourth items. So now here perfectly declaring this all code. Okay, so now in this session, first of all, I'm create a list of fruits and access the individual items using their inside it items using their indices, and remember in the pipeline indicates a start from 0. So now let's start running this code and show the output in this specific item from a list. So first of all, saving this code and just going for here and then right side press and click this run button. Okay, so now as you can see, successfully access the first and the fourth fruits from the list. So here is perfectly first fruits of the apple and then fourth fruits of the grapes. Okay, so this is the output. So here in this the session is complete. So now I'm create here in this a basic of accessing the list item in Python programming language. Okay, so thank you for watching.